Top 10 most beautiful country in the world. Number 1, Italy. Number 2, Spain. Number 3, France. Number 4, Australia. Number 5, Greece. Number 6, Portugal. Number 7, USA. Number 8, Brazil. Number 9, South Africa. Number 10, Germany.